Hey guys, Nate the Great here. Right now it's 5 a.m. in the morning. We're getting a strong thunderstorm down at Rehoboth Beach. So I was trying to sleep, but I usually wake up around this time anyway. So I'm going to record the storm for you guys. If you guys can hear the... Oh, it's getting really strong out there. Oh, yeah, here you're able to get really good lightning. If I could see it. Usually the storms down here are pretty good lightning. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we got some. Yeah. I'm just sitting out on the patio right now. Just watching the storm. This is going to be a short video because I only have 35% of battery. Unless there's an outlet around here someplace. So this is the third day in. I'm having a really fun time. Pretty sure you should be able to see some of the storms. We're supposed to get more later, around, I think, midday. Pretty sure. So I'll be bringing you... Oh, there we go. Trying to see if I can actually get a lightning bolt on here. Oh. It's raining pretty hard out there. Here we can't see it because it's really dark. Oh, there we go. It's like heat lightning. Oh. God, come on. Get one just right there. Get one. Yeah, so since summer's coming, I'm starting a new little tiny storm series. Thunderstorm experiences. Oh, there we go. Oh. It's like it's kind of going across the horizon or so of the ocean. Yeah, my parents were asking for a day off from the heat. Looks like they just got it. Just got a flash from another. Oh, there we go. It's starting to become daylight. The storm's moving east, so the storm's almost over. At least I got some good lightning in there for you guys, just some flashes, but I got a lot more years of life to come, hopefully. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that was a good one. Everyone else is asleep, so I'm trying to be quiet. Lightning is practically particles, rain droplets, and ice crystals generated high in the clouds, building up enough energy to light up for a small town for a year. Ooh, I just got a good one right there. Particles of the storm bring down to the bottom of the storm, and negative ones at the bottom. The energy charges of light, heat, and sound. And much of the Native American myths tell that the firebird of great spirit, its wings crack out thunder, and the lightning is the flash in the thunderbird's eye. A thunderstorm can practically release as much energy as an atomic bomb, most of it harmlessly into the atmosphere. I know a little bit about weather. Oh, just got one all the way down in the ocean. Oh, there we go. That was a good one. And I think we just got a really good one in the back while I was talking. I really wasn't paying attention. Tell me if we did in the comments section. Oh, there we go. Oh my God. Man, did you just see that one? I really wish that building was not in the way. Really does get in the way of the lightning bolt. How much battery time do I have left? Oh, there we go. The storm is definitely moving away. It's moving out into the ocean. There's some people out on the beach. The heck are they doing? Oh, there went another. I really wish I could try and get closer, but it's too risky. I don't want to get struck. Those things are, the lightning bolt is much harder than the surface of the sun. Once that, you have a really good chance of surviving, but yet you have a really good chance of dying. It's very hot. I've never experienced it before, and I never want to. So, whenever a thunderstorm is happening in your area, once you see the warning, get inside to a building and stay inside until it's done. And if you want to be like me and record the storm, be happy to. There's a lot of storm chasers out there. Even though I'm not technically one. It's just, yeah. So, how much battery time? Oh, there we go. I'm going to stop this video around 10 minutes because my battery is just almost dead. Or maybe I might have a little bit more time left, I don't know. Oh, there we go. Oh, that was a beautiful one. I just really wish that building wasn't in the way. And I really do enjoy talking to you guys. Oh, there we go. I actually just saw the ocean. We're staying at the Atlantic Sands Hotel. Whoa! Oh, I just got that one. I just got it. Oh my gosh, that was perfect. Man, did you see that one? Alright guys, well, gonna end on a good note here. Subscribe for more content. Leave your comments. in the comment section below. And this is Nate the Great signing off. Have a great day, and I will talk to you guys later.